So now you have the Playground Physics app. How do you use it? If you played around in it, you might notice that on your Chromebook, you can't really directly record performances using the app. Our workaround for that is to record a performance using your Chromebook camera and then import it into Playground Physics. Playground Physics, remember, is a tool that's going to do the physics for us of video recorded performances of events. So, what this video is intended to do is to show you how to record a video, import it into Playground Physics, and also how to annotate the video a little bit. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Chromebook camera and record a video. I already did of me dropping a basketball. So I'll open this video so that you can see it's just me dropping a basketball. Now, notice I have a meter stick in the frame. That's really important because Playground Physics, like I said, is a tool that's going to do the physics for us, but it needs a reference frame to base it off of. So it will do all the math that you need and all that sort of thing, which is great. But you need to have a precise reference frame for it to base its math off of. Therefore, I put a meter stick in the frame. Well, so I've recorded my video. Now I want to import it into Playground Physics. So I open up the Playground Physics app. I click on Ready, Set, Go, and I want to create. When I hit create, I see this little icon up at the top next to the Running Man icon. That's how where I'm going to import videos. So I go on to that. I click on my videos. And it's the most recent one I recorded, so it should be at the top. So I'm going to open that. And what it's going to do is it's going to open it in Playground Physics. Now, I'll, of course, want to rename it so I don't get confused as to what video is what. But this is the video I just opened, downloaded, imported into Playground Physics. And it opens to this trace a path thing. And you'll notice that I can click on this fast forward button, and it's kind of freeze framing this at various points in the video. Because I can add points to this or annotate the video in Playground Physics, and then the Playground Physics will show me the physics of that event. So in the first second or so, I'm not really doing anything. I'm moving over with the ball to drop it. I want to annotate the ball being dropped. Okay, so let's find where I let go of it. Looks like right about there. Yes, my hand is no longer on the ball. I'm going to put a point right in the middle of the ball by clicking on the middle of the ball. Bink. There's a point. Now I'm going to skip ahead, and you'll notice the ball's down here. So I'll put a point in the middle of the ball again, right there. Bink. And I'm going to skip ahead again, and there's the ball. It's still falling, so I'll put a point in the middle of the ball. And I'm going to keep adding points to what I want to annotate. So I want to annotate the ball falling from where I dropped it to the floor. So I'll keep adding points until it gets to the floor. Looks like there it's landed, so that's my last point. Okay? These points don't look all that straight. As you add them, you can also edit them. If it kind of looks crooked, you can go back and move the point over a little bit or up or down or wherever. If it's not exact, you can kind of fine-tune it. Once I've got the path traced with points I've added to the video, I'm going to click Next. This is where that size I was talking about comes in. All right, I need to know how far this is, this little caliper double-ended arrow. Well, I have my meter stick in the background, and you'll notice that this is a little bit more than half of the meter stick. So just to be on the safe side, let's just put 0.5, half a meter stick. If I knew exactly how tall one of these cement blocks was in the wall, it would give me a more accurate measurement. Like I said, you're going to want an accurate reference frame. So when I edit the size of the caliper and I give the app some reference frame to base its calculations on and save it, it shows me that event. It cut off all the other stuff in the video except for what I annotated, and I can slow-mo it so I can watch the ball dropping. You can see the points kind of get further and further apart as it falls, so you can kind of see it's accelerating. All right, it's falling a little bit farther each little time slice. Also, if I click on this little 3 lines thing here, Playground Physics did graphs for me. Okay, it tells me how far this went and how fast it was going horizontally. It tells me how far this went and how fast this is going